Hello! Now we're going to have some fun with vehicle sounds. What are vehicles? Vehicles are different things we can ride in to get somewhere. So, I want you to try to listen to these sounds, see if you know what it is before I show it to you. Then you'll get a chance to practice making the sounds too. Okay, let's see what's first. Choo choo, chugga 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 chugga, chugga 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 chugga, choo choo. Here it comes down the tracks. Choo choo, chugga 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 chugga, chugga 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 chugga, choo choo. It's a train. The train says chugga chugga, choo choo. Can you help me make a train sound? Let me hear. I hear you. You're saying chugga 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 chugga, choo choo, just like the train. There it goes, back down the tracks. Chugga 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 chugga, choo choo. What is next? I hear something coming through the water. It's my boat. Row, row, row your boat. Can you make my boat sound with me? Let me hear you. I heard you. Bye, boat, floating away through the water. Let's see what's next. Beep, beep. Down the street, here it comes. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. It's my car. The car says beep, beep. Let me hear you make your best car sound. That was excellent. Sounded just like a car. Beep, beep. Let's see what's next. I hear something coming through the air. It's an airplane. My airplane goes as it flies through the air. Can you make an airplane sound? Wow, it sounds like there's a bunch of airplanes flying above our heads. Fly away, airplane. Okay, I've got one more. Wappa, 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 wappa. This is another one that's flying in. Wappa, 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 wappa. It's a helicopter. Wappa, 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 wappa. The propellers on the top spin around and it makes a loud noise. Wappa, 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 wappa. Can you make a helicopter noise? You can probably make a better one than Miss Heather can. Let me hear you. Oh, that was excellent. That's great. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing and hearing my vehicles. I loved hearing your vehicle sounds. I hope you have lots of fun the next time you play with your vehicles. Maybe you can make some new sounds for your vehicles. Well, you take care and see you soon.